In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable 100% aim assist here on Fortnite on PS5, PS4, Xbox, PC. It doesn't necessarily matter as long as you have a controller. Before we dive into this though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. But today we're showing you how to turn aim assist all the way up to 100% here in Fortnite. Now aim assist makes it way easier to stay locked onto opponents by guiding your crosshair towards them. At 100%, it sticks to targets more often, helping you track moving players and land precise shots. Just keep in mind, if it's too high, switching between targets quickly can be extremely hard, so adjust it to whatever feels right for you. But begin by going ahead and loading into Fortnite and opening up the settings menu within here, and then you're going to see a little controller icon all the way up at the top. Go ahead and go over to it to go to your controller settings, and then scroll down until you find the sensitivity options here, and turn on these advanced settings just like so. After doing so, your settings are going to look just a little bit different. Scroll down now until you find the advanced sensitivity settings. And then scroll down into this section until you find your precision aim assist strength and the aim assist strength settings, and go ahead and set it all the way up to 100%. This is going to give you the maximum controller aim assist, making it way easier to stay on target. Just make sure that you go ahead and hit apply after doing so to save your changes, and then jump into a match and try it out, because this makes aim assist so much better on PlayStation, on Xbox, on PC, on Nintendo Switch, on every single platform. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.